ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। नमस्कारः।
नमस्कार।
वेल्कम् टु पंचतंत्र क्लास। ऐ भोः संस्कृतप्रणयिनः विद्यार्थिनः अद्य वस्तुतः अद्य अस्माकम् अध्ययनं पठनं पंचतंत्रस्य आदिमतंत्रस्य मित्रभेदस्य अन्तिम अन्तिम अन्ति अन्तिमां कथां तत्र पठितुं गच्छामः। इयं कथा त्रयोविंशतिः, एतत् कथा संख्या त्रयोविंशतिः। अस्याः एतां कथां पठित्वा मन्ये अद्यैव अस्य पारं गच्छामः, प्रथमतन्त्रस्य मित्रभेदस्य इति अहं चिन्तयामि। परन्तु तत्र किञ्चित् अवशेषं भवेदेव। पृष्ठद्वयम् अथवा एकं वा पृष्ठ तत्र अवशेषम् अवशिष्यते इति अहं चिन्तयामि। परन्तु यावत् शक्यं पश्यामः। तो एतावता 22 कथाः अस्माभिः अधीताः सन्ति। अद्य तु अन्तिमा कथा वर्तते। कथायाः शीर्षकम् एवमस्ति, पण्डितचोरब्राह्मणकथा। एतस्याः कथायाः सूचना कथायाः अन्ते एव दत्ता अस्ति। वयं जानीमः, यदा कथान्तं गच्छामः तदा अन्या कथा तत्र सूच्यते। तत्र अन्या आगामिनी कथायाः तत्र प्रवेशः भवति एकस्याः कथायाः अन्तिमभागे अन्ते। एवं रूपेण तत्र कथायां करटकः दमरकं भ्रातरम् उपदिशति, निन्दति। इदानीं निन्दनं करोति, निन्दा करोति, निन्दति एव। निन्दन् तत्र इयं कथा एवं रूपेण समाप्तिमिष्यति। पण्डितचोरब्राह्मणकथा। वेल, we come to the story of the end of the Panchatantra, first tantra, namely Mitraveda. We are coming to the end of this 23rd story. We are going to take up just now. Srinivas, you may start it. कक्षा संख्या 80तमी। अद्य कक्षा संख्या वर्तते 80तमी, 80th क्लास टुडे, अथवा 80तमः वर्गः। श्रीनिवास, तत्र बहवः जनाः वर्ग इति अपि वदन्ति, कथयन्ति। कक्षा इति न वदन्ति, परन्तु वर्ग इति। परन्तु अस्माकम् अभ्यासः एवमस्ति, कक्षा इति। कक्षा इति स्त्रीलिङ्गपदमस्ति, वर्ग इति पदमस्ति पुल्लिङ्गपदमस्ति। अर्थः समान एव तत्र। यः अग्रे सरति।
अपरम् एकस्मिन् नगरे कोऽपि विप्रो महाविद्वान् परं पूर्वजन्मयोगेन चौरो वर्तते। स तस्मिन् पुरे अन्यदेशात् आगतंश्चतुरो
आगतान्, यदि सन्धि विच्छेद क्रियते तत्र आगतान् चतुरः।
आगतान् चतुरः विप्रान् बहूनि वस्तूनि विक्रीणतो दृष्ट्वा चिन्तितवान्, अहो केनोपायेन येषां धनं लभे इति विचिन्त्य तेषां पुरो अनेकानि शास्त्रोक्तानि च अतिप्रियाणि मधुराणि वचनानि जल्पता तेषां मनसि विश्वासम् उत्पाद्य सेवां कर्तुम् आरब्धा।
तो प्रारम्भे एवमस्ति। अस्याः अन्तिमकथायाः, पण्डितचोरब्राह्मणकथायाः अपरम् एकस्मिन् नगरे, फर्दर ऑन मोर अपरम ऑन द अदर हैंड, एकस्मिन् नगरे कोऽपि कः अपि विप्रः ब्राह्मणः महाविद्वान्। देयर वाज ए ब्राह्मण इन सम सिटी, नगर। विप्रः महाविद्वान् महान विद्वान आसीत् स, महाविद्वान परम, but पूर्व जन्म योगेन, here the writer says he was a great scholar, but because of his because of the impact of his purva janma yogena, because of the connection with the purva janma, you can say, because of the previous life's link, yoga, impressions of the previous life, chauraha vartati, he was a thief. A brahmana learned, but by profession he was a thief. And why this is linked, I mean, given the reason is purva janma yogena, purva janma samskarena. Sa chaura brahmana, you can say now, sa chaura brahmana. Tasmin pure, in that city, anya deshat agatan, here anuswara sandhi is there, shutva sandhi, Srinivas. How do you break here? Tasmin pure, in that city, wherever that he was living, anya deshat agatan chaturaha vipran. This is all running in Dvitiyanta, Srinivas.
Yes.
Anya deshad agatan, agatan plus agatams chaturaha, chatur shabda sankhya shabda, chatwaraha iti prathamayam. Chatur shabda kevalam bahuvachane eva bhavati, Srinivas.
Yes, sir.
Chatur will be only in bahuvachana, like 3 will be there only in bahuvachana, and 2 will be in dvivachana only. Dvau, dvabhyam, like that. Chaturaha, chatvaraha, prathamayam chatvaraha. In the first nominative case, it will be chatvaraha. In dvitiya, chaturaha. Like yaha chaturaha vedan patati sa chaturvedaha iti katyati. Udaharanartham. Yaha चतुरः वेदान् अधीते सः चतुर्वेदः, चतुर्वेदी इति, क्षम्यतां, चतुर्वेदी इति प्रायः कथ्यते. So चतुरः is द्वितीया बहुवचन, going with तान्, the सर्वनाम शब्द तान्. अन्यदेशात् आगतान् चतुरः विप्रान्, another vipra शब्द is also द्वितीया बहुवचन, विप्रान्. Bahuni vastuni vikrinataha. And these vipras are the brahmanas who had come from the another country. They were selling out many goods, many things. Vipran, they were, so this Chaura Brahmana happened to see other brahmanas coming from another country and selling many things. Bahuni vastuni vikrinataha društva. Vikrinataha brahmanan tan društva iti. Chatvaraha, chaturah, tan chaturah brahmanan videshat agatan brahmanan vikrinataha. Vikrinata is shatrupratyanta. Društva, seeing. Chintitavan, he thought. Oh, kena upayena esham dhanam labhe. So by what method, what idea, esham videshat agatanam dhanam aham labhe, aham chaura brahmanaha labhe. So how will I get their money? They are making so much money by selling so many goods here. Iti vichintya, thinking like this. Esham pura, he went over to them. He went before them, Srinivas. He went before them. Puraha anekani shastra uktani shastroktani cha ati priyani madhurani vachanani jalpata. He went over there, went before them. Puraha, tesham purastatiti. Anekani shastroktani cha ati priyani. Look at the wording used here. He started speaking several things said in the Shastra which were ati priyani, very, very dear things, and madhurani, very melodious words. Vachanani jalpata. He was speaking. As he was speaking several scientific things in a very melodious and very appealing manner, tesham manasi vishwasam utpadya, by which he could create confidence in their mind. Tesham manasi, tesham brahmananam, videshad agatanam brahmananam tesham manasi, vishwasam utpadya, he created confidence. No, confidence creation is very important. Now, just like sales manager, salesman, Srinivas, a salesman has to talk in such a way that he attracts the mind of the customer. Now, like that, this fellow, though a chaura, but because of his learning, he could talk like that. Vishwasam utpadya sevam kartum arabdha, and then started also doing service to them. He started doing service. Sevam kartum arabdha. So this is all in Karmani Prayoga, grammatically, tena prarabdha, tena brahmanena, chaura brahmanena, sevam kartum prarabdha. X.
अथवा साधु इदमुच्यते असती भवति सलज्जा क्षारं नीरं च शीतलं भवति दम्भी भवति विवेकी प्रियवक्ता भवति धूर्तजनः.
Now the writer finds an occasion to tell us about the behavior of men in society. Asati bhavati salajja. Sati opposite asati. Srinivas.
Yeah.
Asati nama na sati. Na sati iti. Naitat purusha.
कुकुलस्त्री. कुकुलस्त्री.
Kim? Sati kulastri.
Yeah, sati kulastri, kukulastri I said.
Kukulastri, yeah. Sati, asati. Asat vrta. Stri, iti asati. Na sati, asati. Unchaste woman. Bhavati salajja. Asati nari, asati stri, salajja bhavati. Lajjaya sahita bhavati. An unchaste woman shows exhibits shyness. An unchaste woman pretends to be shy otherwise. An unchaste woman shows more shyness than the chaste woman. That is the idea. Chaste women are bashful only. They are very shy only by nature. But this asati shows excessive. Atilajja. Salajja, atilajja. Okay, that is one thing. Ksharam neeram cha. Neeram jalam. Ksharam neeram cha sheetalam bhavati. Saline water is always cool. Becomes cool always. Ksharam is saline. Neeram is jalam. Sheetalam bhavati. You know, yeah, that is, I don't know what property it is that, but saline water becomes cool. Bhavati, he said. Dambhi bhavati viveki. Who is a Dambhi? A very hypocrite fellow. Damba. Dambi, hypocrite fellow, bhavati viveki. He is very shrewd. A hypocrite fellow is only very shrewd in talking. Priyavakta bhavati dhurta janaha. And sometimes in society, a good speaker, Priyavakta, bhavati, kim bhavati? Dhurta janaha bhavati. He becomes a bad guy. Okay? So, quite opposite things. Dambi viveki bhavati, priyavakta bhavati dhurta janaha. So, it is what happened. All opposite things. Sati salaja bhavati vastuta, parantu kadachit samaje evam drishyate asati nari api salaja bhavati. Sharam neeram sitalam bhavati. Dambi purushaha viveki bhavati. Priyavakta purushaha dhurta janaha bhavati. So, all referring to this situation here, that this Chaura Brahmana spoken very well and attracted the mind of the visiting Brahmanas. Yeah.
Atha tasmin sevam, sir. That is tasmin sevam.
Tasmin se, just a minute. Tasmin tu sevam kurvati. Wait a minute. Tasmin.
Should be tasmin sevam.
Tasmin sevam kurvati. Yeah, tasmin only, that is ekavachanam.
Yeah. Atha tasmin sevam kurvati.
The tu agama is not necessary there. Yeah. Yeah. It is only to him only, ekavachanam. Tasmin sevam kurvati.
Kurvati taihi vipraihi sarva vastuni vikriya bahumulyani ratnani kritani. Tataha tani जङ्घा मध्ये तत् समक्षं प्रक्षिप्य स्वदेशं प्रति गन्तुम् उद्यमो विहितः। ततः स धूर्तविप्रः तान् विप्रान् गन्तुम् उद्यतान् प्रेक्ष्य चिन्ताव्याकुलितमनाः सञ्जातः।
Then what happened? So he created confidence in those Brahmanas and started doing some service also. Tasmin sevam kurvati sati saptami. Tasmin chaura brahmane sevam kurvati sati. When he started doing service, rendering service to him, taihi vipraihi, by those brahmanas, sarva vastuni vikriya. He was doing service and they started doing their work. They sold off all their items. Taihi brahmanaihi vipraihi sarva vastuni vikriya. Having sold sarvani vastuni vikriya, having sold off all the items, all the things, bahumulyani ratnani kritani. They did not carry hard cash, Srinivas. What these Brahmanas, what did they do? They converted the entire money, sarva vastuni vikriya, bahumulyani ratnani kritani. And very costly gems were bought by them. It was very easy to carry, One gem costs lakhs of rupees. So lakhs of cash is hard to. So this is how one. I am reminded of things said about India. Ancient India was very rich country. Our country was very rich. One British fellow only. Name I don't remember. He was commissioned to make a survey of India. How will it be if we introduce education through their language, English language in those days? So he went around the whole of India 1 or 2 times and found to his surprise that in every home in India, children were playing with gold coins. So much gold, so much money was there in India. Several of these things were knocked off by these rulers, and now they are exhibiting in London. Sarva vastuni vikriya bahumulyani ratnani kritani. So they bought very precious gems. Tataha, then tani jangha madhye tat samaksham prakshipya. And what the only mistake there, because this fellow was not leaving them. Tataha, thereafter what they did? Tani nama tani ratnani jangha madhye, between their thighs. They must have had some kind of pockets there. Knickers and special knickers they must have made, and there put in between their thighs. Jangha madhye tat samaksham dhanam. Tat samaksham, that entire thing. What is tani samakshani sarvani ratnani. Tat samaksham, that entire thing he says. Tani sarvani ratnani prakshipya. So they put in between their thighs these valuable gems, prakshipya, swadesham prati gantum, to go to their own country, udyamaha vihitaha. So they made an effort to leave. They were planning to leave that place. Tataha, then sadhurta vipraha. Now the dhurta vipra saw this. They came, they sold, and they made money, and they are now leaving. Dhurta vipraha, tan vipran. Then he went over to them, tan vipran to them. Gantum udyatan preksha. Having seen them prepared to leave the place. Gantum udyatan sah preksha društva. Chinta vyakulita mana. He became very sad and thoughtful. Chinta vyakula. He was troubled by worry. I thought I will be with them for some time and make them believe like Ashada Bhuti and then knock them off. Thought. So he became very sad. Sanjataha.
Aho dhanametam na kinchin mama chatitam athaibihi sahayami pathikvapi visham datvaitan nihitya sarva ratnani gruhnami.
Just like that story, Srinivas, Ashada Bhuti. Pasha, Pashu dharmena marayami visham yachami, he says in that story. Similarly, this fellow also, then he says, dhanam etanna kinchin mama chatitam. Now this, his problem is this, Chaura Brahmanas, dhanam etat na, etat dhanam na, kinchit etat kinchit dhanam na mama chatitam. Chatitam is a kind of prayoga here, chata bhedane, but usually here astagatam Srinivas.
Oh.
Chatitam means chatati to break. Actually the dhatu means break here, but in a sense it is used in literature is mama chatitam means came into my hand. So na kinchit dhanam aho na kinchit dhanam etat mama haste agatam iti artha. Mama haste agatam iti mama chatitam. Atha then evihi etena etabhyam etaihi anaya abhyam evihi Srinivas. Another form is there, evi. Atha then evihi saha, along with this evihi brahmanaihi saha yami gacchami. Gacchami, yami nama gacchami, ya gamanarthe. Pathi, on the way, kwapi, I will go with them, and on the way, somewhere on the way, on the journey, Pathi, marge, Pathi nama marge, kwapi kutrapi, visham dattva, I will poison them. Visham dattva, etan nihatya marayitva, etan brahmanan marayitva, nihatya nama hatva, marayitva, sarvaratrani ratnani gruhnami. I will take all the, now this is the lobha of this brahmana. I will go with them, and on the way I will poison them to death and then knock off all the ratnas.
Iti vichintya tesham agre sakarunam vilapya evam aha bho mitrani यूयं मामेकाकिनं मुक्त्वा गन्तुमुद्यतः तन्मे मनो भवद्भिः सह स्नेहपाशेन बद्धं भवद्विरहनाम्नैव तथाकुलं सञ्जातं यथा धृतिं क्वापि न धत्ते.
Okay, composite is very lengthy. Iti vichintya, now he thought like that, he will go with them, poison them on the way and take away all the ratnas. Datva nihatyas iti vichintya tesham agre sakarunam. So he went before them, and then with all pity, sakarunam, with all very pathetic way, pity, vilapya, he cried before them in a very pitiable manner. Sakarunam, vilapya, evam aha, vilapya evam aha vritisandhi. So he cried before them in a very pitiable manner and said like this, Bho mitrani, oh my friends, yuyam mam ekakinam muktva, you all leaving me alone. Yuyam mam ekakinam muktva tyaktva gantum udyataha. You are all wanting to go, leaving me alone. And he is addressing his mitrani. Oh my friends, you are leaving me. He became, as per Shastra, anybody can become anybody's friend by, by talking 5 words. Panchapada. 7 words. Saptapadam mitram iti uchyate. Saptapadikam. When somebody walks with you 7 steps, takes 7 steps, or when somebody talks to you 7 words, you both become friends. So he has talked more than 7 words here. Saptapadi, he got Saptapadi. Even in marriage also, if you take 7 steps around, then you become friendly. So that is why he is very right in saying, Bho mitrani, yuyam mam ekakinam muktva gantum udyataha tat so me mano bhavadbhihi saha sneha pashena baddham. But my mind is attached to you with friendship. Bhavadbhihi, along with you, sneha pashena baddham. My mind is tied to you all with the rope of friendship. Sneha pashena, with the rope of friendship. भवद् विरह नाम्ना एव भवद् विरह नाम्ना एव भवतां विरह नाम्ना नाम स्वीकरणेन एव तथा आकुलं संजातं किं संजातं मम मनः मे मनः उपरि उक्तं so my mind has become so agitated by the very mention by the very thought of your separation bhavad viraha namna eva tata in such a manner akulam disturbed sanjatam has become my mind mama manah sanjatam yatha that in such a way dhrutim koapi na datti in such a way that I have lost all my confidence, all my dhuti, you know, all my confidence, etc.
यूयम् अनुग्रहं विधाय सहायभूतं मम मम अपि सहैव नयत तद्वचः श्रुत्वा ते करुणार्द्र चित्तास्तेन सममेव सदेशं प्रति प्रस्थिताः.
They are actually very gentlemen, business people and brahmanas. So, Yuyam Anugraham Vidhaya is continuing the Chora Brahmana. Yuyam Anugraham Vidhaya, you taking pity on me. Anugraham Nama Dayam Vidhaya. Sahaya Bhutam Mamapi. I am only your helper now. Sahaya Bhutam Mamapi Sahaiva Nayata. You please take me along with you. Sahaiva. Bhavadbihi Yushmabihi Sahaiva Nayata. You please take me. Nayata is Lotlakara. Tad Vachaha Sutva. Tad Vachaha Nama Tasya Chaura Brahmanasya Vachaha Sutva. Listening to his words. Te Brahmanaha. Karuna Ardra Chittaha. Karunardra Chittaha. Karunaya Ardrani Chittani Yesham Te. Those whose minds were touched by pity. Srinivas.
Yeah.
Karunaya Ardrani Chittani Yesham Te. Karuna Ardra Chittaha. So, becoming very touched by his words, Tena Samameva, Tena Chaura Brahmanena Samameva, Samam Nama Sahaeva. You know the avyayas, Saha, Sakam, Samam, Sardham. These four are used in Tritiya. Remember?
Yeah.
So Saha is earlier already used, Sahaiva, used in the previous line.
Yes.
Here Samameva. Tena Samameva, Tena Saha Eva, Sahaiva, Swadesham Prati Prastitaha. So they started along with him only to their country. Swadesham Prati Prastitaha. Advani.
अथ अध्वनि तेषां पञ्चानामपि पल्लीपुरमध्ये व्रजतां ध्वांक्षाः कथयितुम् आरब्धाः. रे रे किराताः धावत धावत सपादलक्षधनिनो यान्ति एतान् निहत्य धनं नयत.
Now, very interesting thing is coming up in these three lines. Atha then, as they were going, now imagine the journey started. And the Chora Brahmana was accompanying them, they allowed him. Atha Adhvani on the way, Pati, Atha Pati Marge, Tesham, Panchanam api. Now they are 5 now, Srinivas. Chatvaraha Brahmanaha, Videshad Agataha Brahmanaha, Ekaha Pradeshikaha Purushaha. Prantiya Purusha. So Chora Brahmana. So Militva Pancha Jana Haidanim Tesham Panchanam Api Pallipura Madhye. Pallipuram means a small village. Pallipuram. They went over to a place, nearing a place, a small village. Pallipura Madhye, when they were on the way, in the middle of that way, small village, Rajatam, Tesham Rajatam. This is Shashti Bhavachana. Tesham Panchanam Rajatam Pallipura Madhye. As they were passing through the middle of this small village, Dhvangshaha, Dvangshati Uchaihi Rauti iti Dvangshaha, Kakaha. This is another name for Kaka. Dvangshaha, Dvangshati. Uche Dvangsha iti ekaha dhatu asti Srinivas. Dvangsha. Ada Bhuadi Gana only, first class. Dvangshati, Dvangshataha, Dvakshanti, like Bhavati, bhavatah bhavanti. So now it looks, we get an information here that some Kiratas are tribal people. Kiratas are hunters, basically tribal hunters, but they used to indulge in thefts also. Highway robbers also there.
Yeah.
So they used to nourish, these such crows, dvangshaha, maybe special type crows. When they used to see some people passing through the village, they would give out some sounds and tell the Kiratas that, oh, people are coming. No, that is what he's saying. Dvangshaha kakaha kataitum aravda. They started speaking. So generally crows don't speak, na? A special type of crow it is, I think. Like some parrots, myna speak like that. Kataitum vaktum aravda. Re kirataha. They are addressing the kiratas. Sorry. Re kirataha. Oh, foresters. Dhavata dhavata. You run. Sapada lakshadhanino yanti. Oh, how I'm only looking at that. Sapada lakshadhanino yanti means how do the crows know? How do the crows, these birds know as to how much the money is carried by these brahmanas? No, that is given here, Srinivas.
Yeah.
That means the crows are chasing them also from that place of sale where they started selling and hiding their, converting and hiding their money in between the thighs. Sapada lakshadhanino, they are 1.5 lakh rich people, Srinivas. Sapada lakshadhaninaha yanti. Some lakpatis are going. Lakshadhikaris are going. Yanti nama gachanti. Etan nihatya, and what is the direction given by the crows here? Etan nihatya marayitva dhanam nayata. Kill them and take the money. So birds are here more dangerous birds.
Tataha
I am just reminded of this Palli small village na. I think our Telugu padam Palle. Palle is a small village, isn't it?
Yeah.
So Palle seems to have been derived from Palli only. Palli in Sanskrit is Strilinga pada. A small village is called Palli. So we say Palle. Yeah, go ahead.
Tataha kirataihi dhvangshavachanamakarnya satvaram gatva te vipra lagura praharaihi jarjarikritya vastrani mojayitva vilokitaha param dhanam kinchinna labdham.
Now, as per the words of the birds, Tataha kirataihi dhvangsha vachanamakarnya, kaka vachanamakarnya, having listened to akarnya nama shrutva, having listened to the words of the birds, namely the crows here, Sattvaram, immediately, Gatva, they went there immediately, Te Vipraha, those Brahmanas, Laguda Praharaihi, Laguda is stick or iron rod also. I don't think something, whatever it is, Laguda Praharaihi, they took the sticks and then Prahara is attacked, they started attacking. Praharaihi, Jarjari Krutya means they beat him in such a way that they were completely rendered, what is the word used here? Jarjari Krutya. Belabored. There's a word is used here. Belabored. Jarjari Krutya means beaten black and blue. They say. Praharaihi Jarjari Krutya. Vastrani Mochayitva. Not only beating them to badly, Srinivas. Vastrani Mochayitva. Made them to leave their clothes also. Vastrani Mochayitva. Preranartha here. Nijanta is Mochayitva. Having made them leave their clothes also, Vilokitaha, they were watched. So the Brahmanas were beaten black and blue, and then they were made to leave their clothes and they searched. They were searched. Vilokitaha. They were looked at. Param, but dhanam kinchit na labdham. But in spite of this, no money was found. Tada.
तदा तैः किरातैः अभिहितं भोः पान्थाः पुरा कदापि ध्वांशवचनम् अनृतं न आसीत् ततः भवतां सन्निधौ क्वापि धनं विद्यते तदर्पयत अन्यथा सर्वेषामपि वधं विधाय चर्म विदार्य प्रत्यङ्गं प्रेक्ष्य धनं नेष्यामः इति.
But the Kiratas are so confident and so, what do you call, they are confident and they are believing in the words of the Kaka Srinivas. The words, see, Tada, then Taihi Kirataihi, by those Kiratakas, Abhihitam Uktam, Taihi Kirataihi Uktam, Bhoho, Pantaha, O travelers, Bho Pantaha, Pura Kadapi Dvangsha Vachanam Anrutam Na Asit. Never was earlier the words of the crows was falsified. Understand? Simple sentence.
Yes,
Pra Purvam Kadapi Dvangsha Kaka Vachanam Anrutam Na Asit. It was never false. It was never proved false, the words of these birds. Tataha, so Bhavatam Sannidau Kwa api Dhanam Vidyate. They are very confident that you have some money somewhere hidden. Bhavatam Sannidau, in your presence only. Bhavatam Sannidau Kwa api Dhanam Vidyate. You have money somewhere with you all. Vidyate Dhanam Vidyate Vartate. Tad, therefore, Arpayata. Come on, you all surrender. Hand over, Arpayata, hand over. You all have money somewhere because our crows never told us any. Our crows' words never went wrong. Anyata, if you don't come out with your money, anyata, otherwise, sarvesham api vadham vidhaya, then we will kill all of you. Sarvesham api vadham vidhaya, charma vidarya, ripping your skin, charma vidarya. We will also take out your skin. See, bhayankara punishment they are saying. Pratyangam preksha, then we will watch every organ of your body. Pratyangam preksha, they are kiratas, na?
Yeah.
So that is why we say, the kirata kuduvadu, something in Telugu, when some such activity is done, action is done, kirataka we say. So kiratakas are saying this. Then we will search you, and then we will search every part of you and skin you, and then dhanam neshama, then we will take the money.
तदा तेषाम् ईदृशं वचनमाकर्ण्य चौरविप्रेण मनसि चिन्तितम् यदि एषां विप्राणां वधं विधाय अङ्गं विलोक्य रत्नानि नेष्यन्ति तदा मामपि वधिष्यन्ति ततः अहं पूर्वमेव आत्मानं रत्नं समर्पयितान् रक्षामि उक्तं च.
Then when the Kirata said this Bhayankara, these dreadful words, it was heard by all 5 people. Panchabhihitaihi brahmanaihi srutam tat vakyam. Yad vakyam Kirataihi uktam etad. Bhayankara vakyam. So, tada neshyami. Okay. Tesham idrusham vachanam, idrusham katora vachanam, we should say. Tesham idrusham bhayankara vachanam akarnya. Having listened to this type of words of those kiratas, Tesham kiratanam, chaura viprena, this chaura vipraha, namely the thief brahmana, manasi chintitam, he thought in his mind. He thought over in his mind, in his himself he thought, yada yesham vipranam vadham vidhaya angam vilokya ratnani nishyanti. Yada, when yesham, etesham, vipranam, brahmananam, vadham, maranam vidhaya, having killed these brahmanas, when after killing these Brahmanas, Angam Vilokya, and having seen their body parts, Ratnani Neshyanti, they will take the money, Tada, then Mamapi Vadishyanti, then they will also kill me. So what this Chora Brahmana thought, if these people don't declare their money, hand over the money, secretly guarded money between the Thai Srinivas, then they will definitely kill all of them, and I will also be one of them. Tada mamapi vadishyanti, they will kill me also. Tataha, so aham purvameva, so better I declare myself that I will say first that I do not have any gems with me, you can search me. If you find, you can kill me. So this fellow thought foolishly, by offering himself to be searched first, he will be let off. Srinivas.
Yeah.
What he thought was, by offering, so he will be let off like that. But the Kiratas took the word very literally, and first they killed him and then saw every part of him. They did not find anything. So that is what the story is. So where am I? Therefore, aham purvameva atmanam aratnam. So I will first before all the four say purvameva atmanam, myself, aratnam samarpya, I will surrender to them, telling myself that I have no ratnas with me. Aratnam samarpya etan rakshayami. Then he thought by this way he will be protecting. When they see him without any ratna, he thought that the Kiratas would be thinking, Array, already one fellow has been searched, they may not be having, they will go away. So he thought of protecting them, but something happened. Uktam cha
Mrityorvibheshi kimbala nasabhitam vimunchati adyavagdashatanteva mrutyairvai praninam dhruvaha.
So he thought this way, death will come, if not today, some mrityurvai praninam dhruvaha, shatanti, abda shatanti means 100 years. So that is what he thought. Mrityoho bhiveshi kimbala. Then he uttered this word, oh Bala means oh innocent person. Why are you bibeshi, afraid of mrityoho? Mrityoho bibeshi kimartam bibeshi? Hey Bala, nasabhitam vimunchati. So it is like this, if somebody is afraid of death, will death take pity on him? You take the present context. If people are so much afraid of going out and all, supposing one catches, one is caught with coronavirus, and if unfortunately his condition, physical condition, resistance is not good also, then the disease aggravates itself, isn't it? So will that time, at that time, will the Mrityu say, have any pity over the man? That's it. So Mrityoho bhiveshi kimbala nasa Mrityuhu, sa nama Mrityuhu, bhitam vimunchati, sa Mrityuhu, bhitam purusham na vimunchati. Death does not leave a frightened person.
Yeah.
भीत पुरुषम मृत्यु हरे अयम जनः भीतः अस्ति एतं न मारयामि इति न मुञ्चति मृत्युः. Death does not leave anybody who is afraid.
Yes.
Adya va abda shatabdeva. After all, what is death? Either today or abda shatanti, samvatsara shatanti, shata samvatsaranti. After 100 years va मृत्यु ही प्राणिनाम ध्रुवः. मृत्यु प्राणिनाम ध्रुवः एव. अद्य वा भवतु शतसंवत्सरानन्तरं वा भवतु मृत्युर्भवति एव. अतः किमर्थं विवेशि मृत्योः? हे बाला, ओ innocent fellow, why are you unnecessarily afraid, scared of the death? Death will not have any pity over anybody. If not today, it will come after 100 years. So I think this is very suitable for the time, for the present times in world.
तथा च गवार्थे ब्राह्मणार्थे च प्राणत्यागं करोति यः सूर्यस्य मण्डलं भित्त्वा स याति परमां गतिम्.
And the same, say, Chaura Brahmana is saying, Gavarte Brahmanaha Brahmanarte cha Pranatyagam karoti yaha. Yaha Purushaha, Yaha Manavaha, Gavarte, Goho Arte Gavarte, for the sake of the cow. Gavarte. Gavam Artheya, or for the sake of the cows. If you take Ekavachana or Bahuvachana. Goho Arte, you can say Gavam Arte, Shashti Bahuvachana. Gavam Arte, for the sake of the cows. Brahmana Arte, Brahmananam Arteva, Brahmanasya Arteva. Sandarbhe Brahmananam Arte iti. Shashti Bahuvachana Svikurma. Either for the sake of the cows or for the sake of the Brahmanas, learned people. Yaha Purushaha Pranatyagam Karoti. Whoever sacrifices his life. Whichever man sacrifices his life either for the sake of the cows or for the sake of the learned people, sa purushaha yaha pranatyagam karoti pranan arpayati sa purushaha suryasya mandalam bhitva. He will even break the Surya Mandala and then yati param gati. He goes to the highest, what do you call, highest point of life. Paramam gati means ultimate thing. After breaking open the orb of the Surya Mandala, highest state of elevation in life. Suryasya Mandalam Vitva Chitva Sa Purushaha Paramam Gatim Yati Paramam Gatim Gachati. It is like Gita saying, Yati Paramam Gatim, Param Gatim.
Yeah.
Param Gatim, like. So what is said here is a man who sacrifices himself for the cows and Brahmanas, his life will not be wasted. Yeah, come on. Iti Nishchitya.
इति निश्चित्य अभिहितं च भोः किराताः यदि एवं ततः मां पूर्वं निहत्य विलोकयत इति ततः तैः तथा अनुष्ठिते तं धनरहितम् अवलोक्य अपरे चत्वारोऽपि मुक्ताः अतोऽहं ब्रवीमि पंडितोऽपि वरं शत्रुः इति.
See what the Chora Brahmana thought and what happened are two quite opposite things. Chora Brahmana thought, poor fellow, that by offering himself to be searched first, they will find nothing and then let off everybody go. Understand?
Yes.
What he thought, by offering himself to be searched first, he thought he would be saved and also they also will be saved. Because he does not carry the Ratnas with him. But what the Kiratas did, he went and told him, Iti Nishchitya, having decided like Abhihitam cha. Abhihitam cha, bhoho Kirataha. Then he said also like this, oh Kiratas, oh forest dwelling thieves, yadi evam, if so, tataha then, maam purvam nihatya. Why is he using this word, stupid fellow? Maam purvam nihatya. You first kill me, vilokayata, and see. Search for the Ratnas. Tataha, then they took it very literally. Tataha, taihi kirataihi tatha anustite. And Kiratas took it very verbatim, Arey, this fellow is offering to be killed. First let us kill him. They killed him. Tatha anustite tam dhanarahitam avalokya. Finding him without any money. Apare chatvaraha api muktaha. The other 4 Brahmanas were let off. When they killed him and searched every organ of that Chora Brahmana, they did not find anything. Then they let off the 4 Brahmanas. Atoham Bravim. That is why I say, Karataka says, whoever is saying in this context, Panditopi Varam Shatru. It is better to have a Shatru who is wise, learned. Panditopi Varam Shatru. Natu Murko Hitakarakaha. That story which we studied just now. That monkey story. Monkey was very attached to the king. But Murkaha, Natu Murkaha Hitakarakaha iti. Atha. Yeah.
अथैवं संवदतोः स्तयोः सञ्जीवकः क्षणमेकं पिङ्गलकेन सह युद्धं कृत्वा तस्य खरनखरप्रहराभिहितो गतासुः Vasundhara Pite Nipapata.
Okay, now scene shifts here. Karataka was telling all this to Damanaka. This story is over. Chaura, Brahmana, Vanik Katha. Isn't it, Srinivas? Pandita Chora Brahmana, whatever it is. Pandita Chora Brahmana Katha is Katha Samapta. Now the moral is that you can't lie and then get away from the things. And a greedy person is punished in the story also. And he did express his stupidity in offering himself to the Kiratas, and therefore he is killed. So that is over. Iti. Atha then, evam samvadataha, when he was speaking like this, tayoho, samvadataha tayoho, when these two brothers, Karataka and Damanaka, Karataka accusing Damanaka, when they were speaking, Sanjeevakaha, the bull, Kshanamekam Pingalakena saha yuddham krutva. Now the fight is going on. Fight started earlier, if you remember. We had a break, we had a gap.
Yeah.
So in between, so many stories have been told here. So the Sanjeevaka, having fought with the lion, Kshanamekam Pingalakena saha yuddham krutva. For a moment, it fought with the Pingalaka, the lion, yuddham krutva. Tasya Pingalakasya, Tasya Simhasya Pingalakasya, Kara Nakara Prahara Abhihataha. Abhihitaha. Abhihitaha. He was, there is a mistake here, Srinivas. Kara Nakara Prahara Abhihataha, it should be.
Oh.
Not Hita. Abhihita means told. Abhihataha, it should be.
Okay.
That one spelling mistake is there. Then what is this? As he was, they were both speaking, Sanjeevaka came there having fought Kshanamekam. Kshanamekam, ekam Kshanam tatra Pingalakena Simena sa yuddham krutva tasya Pingalakasya Khara. Khara means sharp, hard, sorry, Katina. Khara means Katina, Naka, Nakara. Nakara means the nails. That poem I remember. Tavakara Naka, some poem is there. Ashtapadi is there, na? Anyway. Karanakara Prahara Abhihataha. Attacked by his sharp and hard nails, by the lion's nail. Tasya Karanakara Prahara Abhihataha. Gata Asuhu. He was attacked. Abhihata means killed actually. So Sanjeevaka, after fighting for a while, was so badly wounded by the hard and sharp nails of the Pingalaka, Abhihataha, being attacked. Gata Asuhu. Gata Asuhu. Wonderful. Gata Asuhu. What a Gata Prana. Asu. Asunama Prana. Gata Asuhu. Gataha Asavaha Yasya Saha. The one whose life has gone, left him. Gata Asuhu Mrutaha. Gata Asuhu Vasundhara Pite. On the face of the earth. Vasundhara Bhumi. Bhumi Pite Nipapati. He fell onto the ground, being torn asunder, torn by the hard and sharp nails of the lion. After fighting for a while, he lost his life and he fell on the ground. Vasundhara Pite Nipapata Nyapatat. Ata Tam Gatasum Avalokya.
So shall we continue the next class, sir? We are running out of time.
Really? Yeah, please remember then here.
Yeah.
Okay, Shubham Bhuyat.